Run it back.
Hey guys, it's me Gun14 Slinger, and today I'm doing another unboxing for my gaming setup. This is the Blackweb customizable PC gaming keyboard. It has 15 programmable macro keys and color changing LED lights. This got us today for $20. And I'm going to open it. I already pre-cut the tape thing, so let's see what we got. Up there. So, hard to do with one hand. So it comes with the keyboard. Let me take the plastic off for a minute. Actually, it looks good. Comes with the keyboard and ooh, listen to that. Yeah. It comes with the user instruction guide. Nice. And it comes with the Blackweb gaming software. I'll figure that out later. It's USB powered. Looks pretty cool. Now we're gonna see what it looks like plugged in, and I'll show you guys. Here it is, guys. The new keyboard. Like I said, I hooked it up to PlayStation 4. Had to use a USB extension because plug thing wouldn't fit the USB. So yeah. Now here I actually figured out how to rotate the colors. I just had to press these two, the FN and this button here. Oh, come on, focus. The light bulb with the 3. And I'm not gonna lie, the color rotation is pretty cool. It goes well with my setup. I might do another tour sometime of my setup. What sucks now is I have to move the controllers. Let me back up a bit. Come on, focus. Sorry, my camera's acting out. Move controllers here when they were over here. But, you know, I'll figure it out. Yeah, and really I think it's really cool. I mean, actually got it at a good price too. This is a keyboard I always wanted for my setup. Now I finally got it. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my new keyboard, please click that like button if you did. Leave a comment below what you think of it. And subscribe to join the Gunslingers. Twitter links in the description below. And I'll see y'all next time. Later, Gunslingers.